What's up, everybody? Come on inside the storage shed. I'm James Showers. I will be your host, and you are on the Nomadic Inc. channel. I do have a storage shed here that we've rented out, and I'm going to be turning it into a studio for YouTube. I've got a lot of things in here, some things from the two households that we've put together as my mom and my brother have moved into the house that we are renting right now and have occupied the two extra rooms we would have used for this studio and our crafts. So we're going to take the extra items we have that we're not going to be using and push them closer to the front entry and take our studio stuff and put them towards the back like we've done right here. We've got a lot of the extra stuff we're going to be using boxed up on top of that table, and we'll unbox that and use those decorations on the wall behind that table. Now, we don't have any power in this unit, so that's going to be another issue that we're going to have to tackle as we move on. We've already started putting a few of the decorations up. We're going to need to soundproof it and, like I said, figure out that power situation. We've gone ahead and thrown up quite a bit of blankets we'll look at in a minute, a little bit of soundproofing, and the power situation is going to be solved by this little brick right here that I've stored on this side so we don't get too much electrical buzz when we're filming. Come on into the area as we have it all lit up with lights. Do not have the ring lights on right now. I do have a Milwaukee light that I'm using to illuminate most of it, and then we do have our lights in the background. Yuk Ching is very interested in whatever she was looking at on her phone, and I'm going to go ahead and place you in our seats so you can see what we look at when we are doing these videos. Here we are, pretty exciting. Now, I did buy this fabrics from Joann's Fabrics, and we hung it up on the wall and brought it down just to kind of take care of a lot of that echo. In this area here, I have the phantom power that runs the microphone, and right here I have the remote control that turns this light on. Now, we just got this cool Asian style wall divider, and we placed this light behind it, and it has a really neat look to it.
We never do review on this soap. What soap is this?
You like, you share, you subscribe. You know how YouTube works. We'll all see you on the next video. Peace.
Now that the studio is set up, I can make videos like this where I can do an overhead view of tool bags, boots, soap, scents, and anything else that we decide to do. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments below.
Wow, I love this stuff.